From this to this.
You are all successful. Equally, each and every one of you here right now carries the same accountable success in your business, unless you choose otherwise. Your productive focus for this think tank video is poverty thinking out of business. Concentrate on your improved thinking process on just 3 of the most common power thinking models in business will make a profound difference to the success of your business and remove your loyal practices to your poverty thinking habits. Let's run through the 3 power thinking profit making models. Number 1, are your poverty habitual thoughts overtaking your business growth thinking? An example of a poverty thinking habit is, do you put off spending? Do you penny pinch when spending on your personal and career? Saving money is healthy, yet fearing the making of money is much worse, especially when camouflaged by a money saving habit. Fear spending business owners may seem healthy and wise, yet the conscious statement they are making to the business is, I don't make money, so I cannot spend it. This then becomes the organic practice to a stalemate business. For a business to make money, you must trust the demand of its course. Number 2, what's the quality of your power to business thought process? Listen to yourself and analyze your daily vocabulary used. It's important you recognize your habitually used non-profiting words that in turn, when used frequently without recognition, create a holdback to your business profiting momentum. These words are can't, won't, don't, try, stuff, things, maybe, need. These words are holdback words, have no place within your vocabulary. When you hear yourself using them, stop and reaffirm your sentence with a positive delivery by switching out for a richer vocabularized offered sentence. This format is called profiting money from words. Number 3, do you start your day with a healthy subconscious think breakfast? A healthy delivering subconscious is more powerful than any product you could introduce into your business. Your subconscious is the central, most important tool to the success of your business. As is starting the day with a healthy food breakfast for physical think power, then so is it the same for subconscious think power. Start your day by subjecting your subconscious to positive, intelligent information. Be aware as to what you expose your intelligence as the foundational setter to your day. Remember, social media for breakfast can be junk food for the mind. Till next time.